Sunny Radio, where it's always in the 80s. Thank you so much for listening on a Friday. At this time each week, we do something really fun. We do a little spotlight on the Sioux Empire United Way and the different organizations that work with the Sioux Empire United Way. Today, we have Julia Brown joining us. We're going to talk about the upcoming Reading Festival. Julia, how are you doing?
I'm great. Thanks for having me.
Well, we're glad to have you on the program. And the Reading Festival is a free family event funded by the Sioux Empire United Way. When does this happen?
It is this weekend. It's this Saturday, September 24th, and it's at the Ramkota Exhibit Hall from 9 a.m. to noon.
All right. So it's coming right up. It's tomorrow. Now, what happens when people go to the 16th Annual Reading Festival? What kind of things do you see at the event?
We have a lot of really great activities for children of all ages and family members. We'll have story reading. We'll have activity booths from different organizations throughout the community with crafts and fun activities for the kids. And then we will also have a performance by the Sioux Empire Children's Theater. They will be doing a few of those. And we will also have a free book for each child that's in attendance.
That is awesome. So every child that comes in, if they want a book, they get to leave with a book. That's really cool.
Yeah.
Now, how old are the children that come to this typically? What are kind of the age groups? Because, you know, I'm in my 40s. Am I still a kid?
Well, we could probably find something for you to do, but the target age range is birth through age 7. Okay. But we do know that there are younger children or older children in the family as well, older brothers and sisters, so there will be activities for them to do as well. Very nice. And I'm reading here that they'll be doing live storybook readings at the event as well. Yes, that's correct. We'll have some storytelling reading and great reading events. That is absolutely cool. Again, it's the 16th annual event, and this year's theme is Get in the Gear for Reading, and it's like a robot theme. That's really cool. Yeah, robots. So kids love robots. So that is really cool. Now, the event, again, is coming up tomorrow, so it's going to be here before you know it. It's tomorrow, and it starts at 9 a.m., and it goes until noon at the Ramkota Exhibit Hall in Sioux Falls. And it is free to attend, so anybody that wants to can just stop on by? That's correct, yes. Come in anytime between 9 and noon. All right, we're going to send them out there. Julia, thank you so much for chatting with us today, and thank you for doing what you're doing. The Reading Festival that's coming up tomorrow, who is that put on by? Is there like a Reading Festival committee, or is it a different group that does that? We put it on as staff from Sioux Empire United Way, and we do have our emerging leaders, volunteers, will be there helping us, and it is fully funded by Sioux Empire United Way. That is absolutely awesome. And one more example of where your contribution goes. So if you work at a business where they offer that right out of your paycheck, where hey, you can make a tiny little contribution, it'll come out each week automatically or every 2 weeks or whenever it is you're paid. If you work at a business that does that, take advantage of that awesome opportunity to help. And everybody with those little tiny contributions, they all add up to make some great impacts on our community. And this is one more of those. Now, if you work at a place that doesn't offer that, the good news is you can still make a contribution on your own, and you can go to the website for the Sioux Empire United Way to get all the information, and it's really easy, SEUW.org, which again stands for Sioux Empire United Way. So you can go there and get all the details on how to volunteer or how to make a contribution, like all of the folks that are helping make this stuff happen. Julia, thank you again for chatting with us today. Thanks for having me. And again, the event tomorrow starts at 9 a.m. It is the 16th Annual Reading Festival. Tomorrow from 9 until noon at the Ramkota Exhibit Hall in Sioux Falls. Thanks for listening to Sunny Radio.